Remove the main unit and all accessories. The device is relatively large. Please handle with care when removing it. Install the bracket. Install the handle. First, place the handle onto the bracket. Align the handle connector with the device's connection port, insert it, and rotate the knob until it is securely in place without any gaps. Demonstration of correct versus incorrect installation. Install the emergency switch handle by first mounting the bracket from the side. After ensuring all handles are properly installed, connect the power cable and turn on the power switch. Interface introduction, auto mode and manual mode. Select gender, select age, select operation site. Release the emergency stop button and wait approximately 30 seconds for normal operation to resume. Activate the corresponding handle icon. Handle A energy, handle B energy. Time, it is recommended to spend 30 minutes per area. During operation, energy can be adjusted as needed. If a handle is not in use, its energy output should be set to 0. During the operation, if the customer experiences any discomfort, they may press the emergency stop button to halt the procedure. After releasing the switch, readjust the parameters. Tap to start. Manual mode. Set the frequencies for R1, R2, and R3. Adjust the energy level. You can click here to switch frequencies. Tap to start. Abdominal operation, little the participant lies flat on the bed in a relaxed state. Place a disposable heat insulation pad on the treatment area. Select wanted flat handles based on the participant's body size. Secure the handles to the abdomen using straps. During operation, the emergency handle must be placed in the customer's hand. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. After the time ends, or if paused manually before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Calf muscle building operation, place a disposable heat insulation film on the curved handle. Position the curved handle under the calf, ensuring the curved side fully contacts the calf. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. After the time ends, or if paused manually before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Buttocks operation, their participant lies face down on the bed. A pillow can be placed for comfort. Secure the flat handles to both gluteus maximus muscles using straps. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. After the time ends, or if paused manually before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Place a disposable heat insulation film on the curved handle. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. After the time ends, or if paused manually before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Two treatment areas can be operated simultaneously based on therapeutic needs. Shoulder operation. Elevate the pillow, approx 20 cm high. Place the curved handle on the trapezius muscle, avoiding the neck and heart. Ensure the two heat dissipation vents are not blocked and the curved side fully contacts the skin. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. Arm muscle building and shaping. Run-layer participant lies face down on the bed. Place a disposable heat insulation film on the curved handle. Position the curved handle on the biceps of the arm, ensuring the curved side fully contacts the skin. Adjust the parameters. Tap to start. The operation is in progress. After the time ends, or if paused manually before time is up, remove the handles and unfasten the straps. Cushion usage method. After turning off the device, remove handle A from the left side on the back of the device. Connect the cushion to port A on the left side. Place the cushion on a stable chair or bed. Turn on the device. Tap auto mode or manual mode. Enter the cushion interface. Only adjust energy and time. Energy recommendation: 30%, 80%, gradually increase from low to a level the participant can tolerate. After pressing the emergency stop button, notify the operator. Remove all accessories and metal objects from the participant's body. When seated, the participant should sit according to the cushion's curvature, place feet shoulder width apart naturally, and keep the back straight. Tap to start. Gradually adjust the energy based on the participant's tolerance. After the time ends, the device will stop. Allow the participant to rest on the chair for 2-3 minutes before standing up.